Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today in the house we have a brand new smartwatch, and this is actually quite interesting because of the kind of features it offers for the price point. So it's got like all the features that anyone would actually look for at this price point. Like it's got 24/7 HR monitoring, SPO2 is there, BP monitoring is also there, and plenty of health related features. It's IP67 dust and water resistant and also has Bluetooth calling feature also guys on board, and it's made by just Corseca. Model is called as Snugar, and today in this video we're gonna unbox and check it out. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the watch comes in this sort of box packaging. There's nothing much to unbox over here guys, so I'll try to keep this as short as possible. You got the Just Corseca branding over here, and the model of the watch we'll be reviewing today is Snugar, and the speciality of this model is it's got Bluetooth calling on board. Yes, you have a microphone and speaker also, and I'm pretty excited to unbox and show it to you. So as I've told you, there's nothing much written on the box, so let's quickly unpack it and check out the product. And as soon as you open it, there's one more box on the inside. So there was a box in a box, and that too, this is also sealed. Let me just grab my knife and cut this seal over here. And by the way, this watch is available in multiple color options. We have the Fusion Gold edition guys, and this thing is like a very lovely color. You'll get to see that in a moment. And there you go, here are some of its main highlights and features mentioned. The watch comes with a 1.69-inch TFT LCD display, has full touch screen, Bluetooth calling is also there, and lots of health related features, and it's also IP67 water and dust resistant. And there you go, this is our brand new smartwatch from Just Corseca. Model is Snugar, and look at that color. Oh boy, initial impressions, watch looks very attractive guys, has that Apple Watch sort of feel. We'll just come back to this in a moment. And along with that, in the package you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and some paperwork. Just make sure to read this. And that is it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the product and talk about the design and the build quality. Let me just remove the sticker on the display. And there you go guys, our first look at the Snugar smartwatch from Just Corseca. Initial impressions, very beautiful looking watch guys, love the color. It's got a gold watch case and Irish green sort of straps and classic color combination. On the front you've got a 1.69-inch TFT LCD display in a squarish form factor and has a rounded body design guys. As you can see, the whole display is like rounded, and build quality looks pretty good. Body is made of metal. To the right side you only have a single multi-function button used to power on the watch and also access a couple of other features, and below that is where you got the microphone. And in case if you're wondering where the speaker is, well, it's on the other side. There you go, this is the speaker guys. Using the speaker and microphone you can directly receive and answer calls through the smartwatch. And at the back of the smartwatch you've got a couple of details about the brand. You've got the HR monitoring sensor, some charging contacts, and that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the design and build quality. Coming to the straps, quality of the straps is very nice, feels soft and durable, and definitely justify the price tag. And good thing is they're also replaceable in case if you want to change the color or maybe switch the style to something else. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the smartwatch, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using the smartwatch for the last couple of days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are a lot of things I have to tell you guys, so make sure to watch this video till the end and don't skip any part, as it can be like quite crucial in case if you're planning to buy this. So we've already discussed about the design and the build quality during the unboxing part itself, right? So now let's talk about the in-hand feel and also the comfort. That is the first aspect. So as you can see in the video guys, first of all, the looks, I mean, this thing looks quite attractive, especially this color. It's called as the Fusion Gold and looks very premium for this price point, and also well matches with my phone case guys. Very nice, right? And talking about the comfort, quality of the strap is very nice, feels soft, and gives you that nice feel on your hand. So definitely for the looks and comfort I would give it like full marks. And apart from that, now what I'll do is I'll quickly give you a closer look at the display, and then we'll talk about its UI, built-in apps and features and all that stuff. So there you go, this is how the display on the smartwatch looks like, and as I've told you, it comes with a 1.69-inch TFT LCD display in a squarish form factor. And initially I was a bit skeptical because you're getting TFT panel at this price point. But to be honest, for the last couple of days I've used it, right? It's actually not half bad guys, pretty decent for this price point. You've got good amount of detail, it's got a resolution of like 320 by 280 and text on it looks like crisp and clear, and you can easily read all your messages or any sort of content on this smartwatch. And watch faces look very attractive on this display guys. Colors also look rich but not as good as an IPS panel. I really wish the brand would have chosen IPS for this model. Anyways, moving on, if you talk about the brightness of the display is also fine. I faced no issues using the smartwatch even in outdoor situations, but under direct sunlight you might have a little bit of difficulty. Anyways, moving on, this smartwatch does support raise to wake feature, and as you can see in the video, raise to wake function was working well and accurate most of the time. And there you go guys, this is how the home screen on the watch looks like. The watch comes with like lots of watch faces guys. By default you have like 5 watch faces pre-installed on it, but you can download even more cloud based watch faces directly from the smartwatch compatible app. We'll come to the app part in a moment. And moving on guys, let me quickly show you the whole software UI, built-in apps and all of that. By swiping down on the home screen, you can easily access the control panel, and here it shows you a lot of stuff like the status info of the watch. It shows you the battery level, Bluetooth connection status. You can directly adjust the display brightness also from here. You've got a couple of shortcuts for general settings, D&D mode, theater mode and stuff like that. And by swiping up on the home screen, you can easily access the notification area. Now from here you can easily read all your recently received messages or maybe missed calls or anything like that. Again, for this you'll definitely need to connect the watch with your smartphone and also need to install the compatible app. Then only you'll get all of these on your phone. Moving on, let me also show you the list of menu and all the built-in apps and features. You can easily access that by swiping right on the home screen. Now this watch supports like 2 list view layouts guys. You got honeycomb layout and also like a general list view. Now honeycomb looks pretty attractive and gives you that Apple Watch sort of feel, but it was actually a bit confusing guys because I was unable to find the app or any feature that I wanted to use right away, and that is the reason I again switched back to like list view. This was like more detailed and organized. Anyways, the first feature that we have is the sports mode guys. From here you can directly check out today's current fitness activity workouts, like how many number of steps you've taken, distance travel, calories burnt and these sort of stuff. And if you want like a detailed analysis or maybe like a weekly summary or monthly summary, then you'll definitely go and check out the smartwatch app guys. There you'll get like the full details. Moving on, you've got a couple of health related features like sleep monitoring, 24/7 HR monitoring is there, blood oxygen SpO2 and also like breathing exercises. So many options are available guys. We'll come to the health features in a moment. And then you've got the sports training mode. This watch supports like multiple sport activity tracking like running, walking, cycling and a couple of other sport activities as well. And moving on, this is the best feature on this smartwatch guys. As I've told you, it also supports Bluetooth calling and comes with like a built-in mic and speaker. So first of all, you need to pair this smartwatch to your phone via Bluetooth, and that is how you can actually call anybody directly from the smartwatch guys. You can talk to those people from this smartwatch. I'll give you a demo of that also in this video, so stay tuned, it's pretty interesting. And then moving on, you've got the BP measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 measurement is also there, weather analysis, notifications area, and the smartwatch also supports like remote camera shutter. That means you can use a smartwatch to capture pictures on your smartphone, and then has a Bluetooth music player also, so you can even control all your songs or any sort of music that is being played on your phone directly from the watch. And then you've got breathing exercises function also built into this, and basically has like all the general smartwatch related features that you would want to see on a watch. For example, you've got stopwatch, timer is also there, and then flashlight function is also there, and basically all these functions are there guys, so not an issue at all. So that is pretty much it guys, our complete overview on the UI, built-in apps and features. And if you talk about the watch performance, it was performing well guys. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters, while like navigating through the UI or opening or closing of any of its built-in apps and features. So on the overall guys, quite satisfied with the performance. Moving on, let's talk about the fitness and the health related features. So I've been using this for my recent fitness activities, and every day morning I go for like walking, and for that purpose I've been using this watch, and it was performing performing well only. Like pedometer was accurate, giving like 90% accurate step count only. I've compared it with my premium and expensive smartwatches, so pretty close to that. And if you talk about fitness activities and those data, those are also like pretty accurate. It was giving a lot of information, like how many calories you've burned, distance traveled, step counts, 24 by 7 continuous HR measurement, and these sort of stuff. Only thing it was lacking is like GPS location data, guys, because it doesn't have like built-in GPS, right? So for that purpose, I had to carry my phone also in my pocket for GPS location related data. That was the only thing. But apart from that, if you talk about like health related features, plenty of health related features are available on this smartwatch. You've got 24 by 7 HR monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2 is also there, sleep monitoring and tracking, and also has like BP tracking, guys. And especially heart rate measurement and blood oxygen SpO2 measurement were working well and accurate 90% of the time. No issues over there. Now BP monitoring on these sort of budget and affordable smartwatches is not that accurate, guys, and that's why don't rely on them like 100%. They give you like a rough idea and rough estimate based on the data and other information from HR sensor and these sort of stuff. So that is what I can say about the health and fitness related data on this smartwatch. Now let me show you how you receive message and call notifications on this smartwatch. So for this feature to work, obviously you need to install a compatible app on your phone and pair your phone with your smartwatch, and then only you will be able to receive message or call notifications. So there you go, guys. This is how you receive message notifications. You can receive messages from variety of apps like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and this is how the content of the message is displayed. It shows you the content as well as the name of the person. But unfortunately, there is no option to reply to these messages from the smartwatch. And this is how you receive call notifications, guys. So it shows you the name of the person calling and also gives you an option to like answer the call or reject the call. And best part is you can directly speak to that person from your smartwatch itself, because it has like built-in mic and speaker, right? So there is no need to take out your phone from your pocket. You can directly answer to them from your smartwatch itself. And quality of the microphone on board was pretty nice. The other person was able to clearly hear and understand what I was speaking. And speaker quality was also nice only, guys, but I felt the output of the speaker was a bit less. Indoor conditions, it was fine, guys. I had no issues. But when I was going out or maybe in like traffic situations outside on the road, there I was having a bit of difficulty hearing the other person on the smartwatch. Let me give you a quick demo on the Bluetooth calling feature. You can easily access this from the menu, and you actually have like two options. You've got a dial pad, and you can dial literally any number and place a call from the smartwatch, or you also have like a favorite contact list, and you can upload like 8 different contacts and directly place a call just by touching on the name of that person. So pretty easy accessible features, guys. So let me just quickly place a call, and I'll show you a demo on how the microphone and speaker quality on the smartwatch is. There you go, it's actually ringing. I'm calling my sister right now. Okay, it's ringing.
Hello?
Yeah, Sheetal, hi.
Hi.
I'm actually testing a smartwatch right now, and this watch has like onboard mic and speaker. So what do you think about the microphone?
It's nice.
Am I
I can hear
audible?
you clearly.
You can, right? It's pretty clear, right?
Yeah.
So guys, as
I
you
can
can
feel
see,
like you're calling from a watch.
so guys, as you can see, microphone quality is pretty nice, and this is how the speaker quality is. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Now, battery life totally depends on how you use this smartwatch, because it has like Bluetooth calling and plenty of other features, right? So if you're a heavy user who does a bit of Bluetooth calling and raise to wake function turned on, brightness set to like maximum, and uses a lot of smart features as well, then for you, you might only get around like 2 to 3 days of battery life. But again, if you are not a heavy user and you use this like moderately, guys, like a normal use with minimum Bluetooth calling and brightness set to like 60%, somewhere around that, then you can expect around like 5 to 6 days of battery life. So that is pretty much it, guys. My video on Snugar smartwatch from just Corseca. It's a pretty nice smartwatch, guys. First of all, I absolutely love the looks and build quality. Feels very premium and looks quite attractive for this price point. And on top of that, it is IP67 dust and water resistant, has a good display, lots of built-in apps and features, plenty of health related features, and best part is you've got Bluetooth Bluetooth calling on board. Only few things I felt were the brand could have given us IPS panel for this price point, and I didn't find an option to use like customizable wallpapers as watch faces, guys. So I didn't find this in the app. That is one more thing. And lastly, I felt speakers output could have been slightly more higher, guys, so that we could use this smartwatch like easily even in like loud or outdoor scenarios. So these were the only few things. Apart from this, it's like a pretty good smartwatch for this price point. It costs around 4,999 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.